little bit Animal Kingdom tonight, but we're walking in to Raglan Road. Here's Susie getting our reservation, and we're meeting our friend. Okay, so I got the ribbo, and it's got braised short rib inside. I added spinach, looks like a poached tomato, and then some chips.
I got the shepherd's pie.
Let's see.
It's excellent.
Shepherd's pie.
Excellent.
Ruthie got chicken tenders and fries, and Ron got...
I have their famous tomato salad.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. With a nice little cheesy basket.
Is it good?
Menu for dinner.
Yeah. First,
Because they want to shuffle you to the like more expensive salads that they bring.
well, we had our lunch at Raglan Road. How was it?
It's great.
What'd you get?
I had
The shepherd's pie.
and an iced tea.
Standard.
Standard. Yeah, it's a little salty.
Yeah.
It's a little salty for me. The mashed potatoes were really good. Rosie shared. She liked them.
Rosie did like the mashed potatoes. We were just looking at Terralina, which is the new Italian restaurant, and it's open.
And they have an open outdoor bar.
Yeah.
Which has a happy hour that looks really nice. And it's covered, so you can sit under there during a rainstorm.
It's very nice.
Like
and it's,
we just endured.
and if you look, it's been raining and the skies are pretty gray, so we're trying to make it into a store before the rain starts again. Yeah.
Yes, headed up to the co-op, I think.
Yes, we are. Let's go to the co-op. Florida rain. Do you want to pick one? Do you want to walk over? Ruthie's gonna make a pressed penny. We made a couple of these last night. Let's see, what are our choices? Our choices are, I don't know if you can see. You wanna do Little Mermaid? Okay, so there's Little Mermaid, Jasmine, Sleeping Beauty, and Snow White. So we want Little Mermaid. Okay, you gotta turn it.
Alright, let's go catch you guys, then we'll go to tea now.
Keep going. Can I help? It is.
What is that?
It's Jasmine.
What is that?
Here, let's keep turning. We gotta turn it. Wait. Okay. Nana, do you want to push it in and then Ruthie can... Okay, we've pushed it in. Okay, Ru, go ahead. Turn it.
Start turning it.
Gotta turn it. There we go, there it is. Show me your penny. Who is it? It's Ariel. Here. Here's the Ariel. Good job. You like it? Good evening, everyone. I have no idea how today's vlog turned out because, well, we basically canceled all our plans. Ruthie was just having, I mean, I say this every time, but she was having such a hard time adjusting to the time change that she was just so cranky. And we were like, you know what? We're not gonna go to Pandora tonight. So we missed out on Pandora, but that's okay. I am actually walking to do laundry right now. My mom just took Ruthie to go to the pool because it's open for like another 20 minutes or so. And we have a big day tomorrow, so we figured we'd just cancel tonight and just kind of, you know, hang and do our thing. So I am pushing Rosie in the stroller and, oops. So I am pushing Rosie in the stroller and we are just walking over to the laundromat. And I've talked about this, I do my laundry every time we're here because it's just so much easier, honestly. So let's walk and do laundry. So I'm running back to do my laundry. We are having like a late dinner and it looks like everybody's having a late dinner. It's so freaking crowded. Look, my hair is drying right now. I'm walking in to finish my laundry. We are getting ready for bed and we will see you guys tomorrow. So good night.